What's good, y'all? With our boys.
What's up?
We had a car meet. Not even a car meet, bro. This is more like a car show. Everyone's mogging me. We finna get some cool clips, some cool shits, and yeah. Catch y'all. Holy shit, chat. There's some crazy ass cars. Everyone basically called us poor. Oh. Fucking McLaren or Rari. Oh my gosh. Damn, some old school Lambos. Ooh. Oh my gosh. These are so tough. Basically, we're poor, chat, but we'll get there one day. Holy. A Urus, a Viper? Holy shit. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Basically, chat, we're poor as fuck, right? But we'll get there one day. Like I keep saying. One day, someday. A Mark IV right-hand drive. Bro, this shit is insane. Boys, how we feeling?
Fucking hungover as shit. I need some breakfast.
We get our breakfast right now. This is crazy, huh? See, I don't even know. Like, I'm mesmerized. Like, this shit's insane. I've never actually seen these cars, like touchable. Like, oh my gosh. Like, look, bro. Holy chat. This is something I want. Holy. Oh my gosh. Look at this fat ass wing. Oh my gosh. This shit is genuinely insane. Oh my gosh. Yo, how we feeling?
Poor?
Poor? I'm saying, holy, this shit's insane. Yo. Nah, this shit different. This black is even different than my black. Oh my gosh. Holy. good, chat? Oh my gosh, this shit is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this. Holy. This is crazy to be a part of.
It does make a mad.
Sheesh. This shit is crazy. What y'all think?
This shit crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's lit.
Alright.
It's really cool.
This shit is crazy. I've never seen so like many rare cars and crazy shit in one venue. Like they keep coming.
Like every Saturday.
Look, oh my gosh. It's non-stop. What's good, chat? We just chilling now. It's like a winery test, but in a little, we finna drive back. Oh yeah, there's an F1 car. Random as fuck. But yeah, we gonna drive back in a little. This shit chill, bro. Like chill ass vibes. I've never seen so much cars and expensive ass cars like I did tonight or today. I mean, that shit's crazy. And my shit's slow as fuck compared to them. Holy shit. But this shit fire. I can't lie. Yo, this shit is insane. These buckets are insane. This. These cars are insane. Hey, chill. My car's still mogged though. Holy.
Oh yeah. Right on, only in Texas, that's right.
Yo, these whips are crazy. Like literally, look, it's a whole fleet of fucking cars. Definitely over $1 million. Definitely. Probably like 2. Don't worry, chat. One day. Shit, we gonna have that, but that's our real dream. Right there. Holy. This is gonna be soon though. This is gonna be soon. Just wait. Just wait till I graduate, yo.
I'm still learning it. I'm really honored. I just wanted to be part of this.
Oh my. Are those 2 turbos, I think? Twin turbski on this. Oh my. Yo. Yo, Chad, these cars are insane. The XM, holy, this Butte. Shit, I don't know, but I'm finna get my mom this. Yeah, of course it's from Houston, bro. Houston got crazy cars. Another fucking McLaren, bro? Yeah, I need to go see that. ZL1? Hey, Chad, I used to have a Camaro. What y'all know about that? Fucking ZL1. Honestly, still part of my dream cars. Oh my gosh, this McLaren is tough. I'm not gonna lie, if I had the choice to get an exotic car, I mean a fucking like supercar, it would definitely be a McLaren over like a Lambo or anything. I'm not gonna hold you. Look at that road presence. Holy, that shit is insane. I mean, Lambos are tough too, but like, bro, it's night and day. Yeah. That's like supercar, like, I don't know. I know they're bad on like, reliability, but they're pretty good. Like, looking. I don't know about experience-wise. But yeah, these Porsches are so clean, bro. Can't even hold you. Sheesh, chat. It's a clean-ass 5.0 S650. I just love the black look. Like, the gray's cool, I'm not gonna lie, but that black look is insane. Maybe I'm biased because I got a black car too, but I think black just looks so tough on certain cars. Mostly any car. It makes them look so fucking sophisticated and like mean, bro. But matte black, oh, that's what I really want. Hey, chat, but I mean, I kind of fit in, you know? I kind of fit into the crowd. Definitely not, but still. Ooh, that car been popping right now. That's funny as fuck, chat. My fucking alarm started going off because I fucking reached inside to get the polarizer. But my shit still look tough. Had some guy with a Corvette. Oh, so tough. I had some guy with a Corvette come up to me. He was like, damn, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Beamer's got that interior, though. He's like, that shit's tough. I'm like, appreciate it. Bro, this Viper, bro. I'm not gonna ever get over this. Dodge definitely needs to bring this hoe back. It's an ACR too. Oh my gosh. It's a V10, bro. V fucking 10. This shit sounded insane on the fucking road. Shit was gapping literally everyone. Oh, like I said, bro, this is matte, bro. This Lambo tough though. Holy. But, bro, literally every time there's a Lambo and then there's a McLaren, the McLaren literally mogs the fuck out of it every single time. Yo, chat, this shit's insane. Sheesh, chat, this shit is nice. They got some crazy cars. A NASCAR, fucking another F1, fucking V8 twin turbo. Oh no, inline four. Don't ever assume that I know cars. Oh my gosh, crazy stats. Yo, what is this? This shit is insane. Nah, but chat, bro, this shit is a vibe. We were just chilling here, literally. It's like, we dead-ass LARPing this lifestyle, bro. Literally. It is like hella rich people, and I don't know, we're just chilling, drinking wine on some chill, but it's pretty good vibes, I can't lie. So, probably catch y'all next, driving back, and yep. What is good, y'all? We are back at the crib. Oh my gosh, today was fun. Hating ass, but he's just mad he didn't have a fun time because he was hungover like a pussy. Yup. But fun ass time. Y'all gonna see some crazy ass clips. Yeah, he did. It was a good ass time. We saw some crazy ass cars, got some crazy ass clips, and we went crazy fast. And we had a police escort, so no one can tell us it. It was fully legal. Yeah. So Boys, rate the experience 1 through 10.
10.
10. What are your thoughts on it?
It was sick. Lots of foreign cars, fast cars.
You?
Mills.
Mills?
Mills,
Yeah,
there was a lot of mills.
we spit some game. Actually, we didn't. He did.
Mills were
Hey, he's
on it.
hey, bro. Hey, it's because it was the glasses. It was the glasses.
Mills was trying to set up Mo with her daughter.
Yeah, literally, she's trying to set him up. But it was fun. We saw some crazy cars. Went stupid fast. Had hella fun. But yeah, I'll catch y'all. Let me know what y'all thought about that. Yeah. And W videographer. He pretty much is gonna all those clips of those cars while I'm driving. That's gonna be him. But yeah, catch y'all later.